This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove the sharing on all of the files shared with one person in Google Drive. If you want to remove all of the files that are shared with an individual, what you do is you need to search for that person by clicking on People, then clicking on the name. Since I'm only using this between two Google accounts, my name is already there. But if you are in a large organization or you share files with multiple people, you will need to search for those people here. Once their name appears, you want to make sure that this box appears and then select Shared With. When you click on that, all of the files that you've shared with this person will appear. What you do now is you highlight all of those files, then you right-click, then you select Share, then you select Share again. Then here is the person with whom I'm sharing the files. And since this person has different levels of access on each file, it says that it has mixed roles. So if you want to remove them from all of your files, then click on that down arrow, then select Remove Access. Also note that you can use this to change ownership of the file or to change them to an editor, commenter, or viewer. So since I want to remove access, I'm going to press that, then select Save. Once that's done, now those files are no longer shared with that other account. So this video shows you how you can remove someone from multiple files at one time that you've shared with them in Google Drive. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.